Now, is William Ruto transitioning from a flying president to a lying president? Or is he simply both, a flying president who lies? This is a question that Kenyans themselves sought to find an answer to in the past few days. And look at what they discovered in our weekly satire as compiled by KTN's David Mothoka.
There is a famous Kiswahili methali that goes, mjinga akirevuka, mwerevu yuko mashakani. And President William Ruto seems to know it all too well.
Na ndio mimi nimekuja hapa kuambia hivi, maneno ya kudanganywa wajinga waliisha Kenya. Na wajinga hakuna Tana River tena.
From Tana River, we climb the slopes of Mount Kenya.
Kuna stadium hapa imetusumbua sana. Hiyo stadium imejengwa karibu Yesu anafika kama bado haijakamilika. Sindio?
The stadium in question is Ruringu Stadium that lies at the heart of Nyeri County, and this was President Ruto earlier this year.
Kabla ya mwisho wa mwaka huu, hii stadium tutamaliza. Nimeleta contractor mpya. Contractor amefika na nimempatia warning. Sindio? Ya kwamba mpaka hiyo stadium ikuwe complete. In a couple of months.
It was not the first time that the president was shifting goalposts. This was Willie in 2017.
In Nyeri, the president gave the title. There was a challenge of title. Now we have a title, and now the program has been rolled out.
Over 72 months later, it now appears more likely that Jesus will come a second time before the stadium can host a single match.
Nani anajua shida zetu? Ni Asla. Nani anajua shida za vijana? Ni Ruto.
There is also the historic Kamarinyi Stadium in Elgeyo Marakwet County.
In 6 months' time, the stadium in Kamarinyi in West Pokot, which is historic, will be complete.
More than 7 years since this statement, this is the state of Kamarinyi as shown by civic educator Morara Kebaso.
In 6 months' time, the stadium in Kamarinyi, which is historic, will be complete.
If it were not